This is a video about how to create a rubric. And we start off by going to our Drive, clicking there. And once we're in Drive, we see this blue button up here. And I want you to also notice that there's a folder that holds rubrics. So we go up to this button that says New, and we notice now that there is a rubric feature. You'll also notice there's a new message that says that we can only see this rubric through the new interface, which will be launched in July. And so I'm going to create a rubric for my Science Lab reflection. And so I'm calling this Science Lab reflection sheet, and it wants me to put in some criteria. And the first section we'll be looking at is the conclusion to that Science Lab reflection. So I need a title for each of my areas that I'm going to give points to. And so I've written for 4 points, fully explained, 3 points, good explanation. Number 2, conclusion is written, but there's no evidence. And then, of course, there's no conclusion. Then we hit the plus column, and when we get the plus, we get a new criteria. And so this criteria will be in is an area we're going to call evidence. And so here is a second set of information that now exists for our rubric. So we have evidence and conclusion. We can hit the plus and create some more, or in this case I'm just going to save. And so now we're back, and this will appear in our rubrics area for us to use. So we'll look at using them here in just a second.